This is my reaction video. Through a series of videos, I gained a deeper understanding of the dangers of poisoning. I learned that poisoning can occur intentionally or accidentally, and the devastating consequences it can have when ignored or undetected. The case of Alexander Litvinov's assassination, for instance, highlights the use of poison as a silent weapon in politics and espionage. The second video discusses six deadly and nearly undetectable poisons and the crucial role scientists play in discovering them. I appreciated the work of toxicologists and investigators who helped bring justice through the science. The video also touched on the history of poisoning, including the use of arsenic, known as inheritance powder, to kill people for money or power. Another video that resonated with was about the milk tea death case in the Philippines. It showed how easily people can become victims of poisoning without even knowing it, emphasizing the importance of food safety and proper investigation. A documentary on food safety poison, The Dirty Truth About Your Food, made me more aware of the hidden risk in the food we eat every day, including harmful chemicals, contamination, and lack of proper regulation. It reminded me to be more careful and to support efforts that ensure food safety for everyone. Overall, these videos taught me that poisoning is a serious issue that extended beyond chemistry and into realms of crime, history, politics, and everyday life. It's a matter of awareness, responsibility, and taking care of what we put into our bodies. That's all. Thank you.